Hello and welcome to the installation video of SPH-SPA3000-6000TL AUB all-in-one energy storage. The SPH and SPA all-in-one energy storage system consists of hybrid inverter and battery modules. The all-in-one has pre-installed meters, which can reduce on-site installation time when ensuring system detection accuracy. There are 6 power levels from 3 kW to 6 kW in SPH inverters of SPH-SPA all-in-one system. The battery we use is ALP-LV battery system. The battery system has wide range capacity options from 5 kWh to 40 kWh. Using cobalt-free LiFePO4 material to guarantee its excellent safety, offering modular and stacked design for easy installation, and the protection degree is IP66. First, please select a suitable location according to the installation requirements. The temperature range should be -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. To ensure optimal performance and long service life, it is best to avoid direct sunlight, rain and snow, and install a protective cover to protect the device. In addition, the distance between the battery and other items should be greater than 3 mm. A maximum of 4 battery modules can be stacked in one line. If there are more than 4 or 4 battery modules cannot meet the distance requirements when stacked in one line, then please install them in 2 lines. Before the installation, please prepare the following tools. Now you can move the packages to the installation site and unpack them. Please inspect the product and accessories to make sure all the things are complete. Unpack the inverter package and check the accessories. Unpack the battery package and check the accessories. We offer 2 installation methods, wall-mounted and floor-mounted. In this video, we use floor-mounted installation as an example. Firstly, place the base on the ground. Place the first battery to the base. Install anti-tipping plates on the sides of the battery using M4 screws. Mark the punching position of the anti-tipping on the wall. Then remove the battery. Mark all hole positions with a battery and inverter paper drilling template and drill holes. Install the M6 expansion bolt and tighten the nut. Place the first battery and fix it to the base. Then place all the batteries on the base and fix them one by one using M4 screws to secure the connecting pieces on both sides and tighten the screws. Install the anti-tapping plate on both sides to fix the modules to the wall. Install the die-cast bracket on the left side of the inverter using M4 screws. Place the inverter on the topmost battery and fix it using the screws. When installing inverter, please note that the bottom depression of the inverter aligns with the protrusion of the battery. Fix the anti-tipping component to the inverter and wall using M4 screws and expansion screws respectively. Now we can start with the wiring process. For the battery's wiring, connect the positive and negative power cable between battery packs. Connect communication cable between the link in and link out ports. Connect the ground cable between battery packs and connect all of the battery packs one by one. For the wiring between the battery and the inverter, connect the positive and negative power cable. Connect the communication cable. Connect the ground cable and tighten the screws. Install the external CT communication cables. First, unscrew the two swivel nuts from the waterproof cover by turning them counterclockwise. Then remove the anti-tamper element. Loosen the screws on the snap handle. Turn the handle toward the inverter to remove the waterproof cover. Thread the external communication cable through the swivel nut, cable support sleeve, and waterproof cover in turn. Connect the RJ45 connector with the communication cable and plug it into the corresponding communication port on the inverter. Finally, install all the components. Install the EPS cables. Remove the screw and anti-tamper parts. Removing the EPS connector using the anti-tamper parts. Install 3 EPS cable to the corresponding port. Then tighten the EPS connector and install the anti-tamper cover and locking the screws. Install the grid cables. Remove the AC grid connector using the accessory kit. Install 3 grid cables to the corresponding port and tighten the screws. Please connect according to the existing PV cables on site and insert it into the PV port of the inverter. Then all the wiring is finished. After installing all the wires, install the inverter front panel and secure it with M4 screws. Install the trim covers of each battery pack and tighten the screws. After completing the installation, turn on the computer and perform one-click diagnosis. When the automatic diagnosis is completed, the LCD automatically displays the number of battery packs. Confirm the number of battery packs through the OK button. After confirming the number of battery packs, the diagnostic results can be viewed. Then the on-site installation is now complete.